So in this video, I'm going to share you an amazing internship opportunity, which is by NIT Silchar. Let's cover it in detail. Who can participate in this internship? What are the things you need to take care and how to register in this particular program? So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video so that you get top-notch content free of cost without any issue. Now coming over here directly to the advertisement, who can apply? Let's see. So the criteria is that for all the students, whether you are engineering, management or science student, you can apply for this without any issue. So let's cover for the engineering students, external and internal students of BTech pre-final year, third year after completion of the sixth semester. Pass out year must be in the 2027 can participate in this internship, whether you are from civil engineering, mechanical engineering, ECE, EE, EIE, all the things you can see. This is the course content. Okay, whatever course you have applied. For the management students, same. It should be year 2027 and you must be in BBA UG free final year, that is second year after completion of the fourth semester. Similarly, if you are having BBA honors, then also pre-final year, third year after completion of the sixth semester. And if you are having MBA, that is the PG, then pre-final year also first year after completion of the second semester you can apply for it. For science student, again both external and internal students of science department can apply. Whether you are having physics, chemistry and mathematics, the pass out year must be in the 2027. So if you are currently getting passed out in 2027, then this is the best opportunity for all of you. Students in the first year after completion of the second semester of a 2-year MSc program, or students in fourth year after completion of the eighth semester of integrated MSc BS MS 5-year program. You can see all the things they have mentioned. Now duration of this particular internship is of 6 weeks. It will start from 1st of June and will be ending on 31st of July 2026. Now what are the requirements and what is the application process? How to apply for it? So it will be under mentorship of a faculty from NIT Silchar who will be guiding you. Now applicants above CPI 7 or 70% for external students and CPI 6 and above for internal students for all departments can apply. Now what is this CPI? So it's just like a marking index, I think so. Yes, it is a marking index, just like we have CGPA. Similarly, it's CPI. Also, you can see that here one annexure they have provided, which you have to fill. I'll show you. So here no accommodation will be provided for external students outside. Okay, so I got it. For internal students means the students who are studying in the same college, means in the same campus. Okay, and external means you are from different college. For example, you are from NIT Assam or any other college. Okay, so that means external students. Here no accommodation will be provided to external students. Okay, so here it is a offline program, means you have to attend their internship offline only if selected. So you have to bear your accommodation cost, means for living they won't provide you space. You have to just manage yourself for residing for that particular 6 weeks. No scholarship, no fellowship will be provided under this internship program, and you have to fill only one time form. Okay, here you have to just do one form they have shared, that you have to get it signed from your HOD faculty. Okay, head of the department, whatever your subject is, you have to just get it signed. I'll show you what you have to do. And after that, here they have mentioned letter of consent, host, faculty, email consent only if accepted. So all the things, let me just show you. So how you have to apply? Okay, how you have to apply? It's very simple. First of all, let me just show you how you have to apply. You have to just open this form link. Okay, and here in the form link you can see that important dates they have mentioned, that the date is, last date to apply is 15th of April. You have to do all the things before that. Now all the details will be shared to you via email, and internship starts from this particular date. Okay, now here make sure to read the eligibility criteria. Okay, and here read all the things. For any queries you can reach out to that mail and just click on record. Now you have to just select your department. For example, you are having physics, chemistry, mathematics, or maybe civil engineering. You have to select from this. Now you have to enter your full name. Okay, enter your full name, registration number, scholar ID, roll number of the students, which is mentioned on your registration card and ID card. After that, your college name here you have to mention. Okay, you can add university also in bracket and your college or institute full address. After that, you have to mention your current semester and the admission year of current program. Okay, when did you took the admission? When your degree will be completed, you can just mention 2027. If you mention others, I think it will be rejected because they have mentioned 2027. Now you have to mention whether you are an internal student or external student. Internal means you are a student of NIT Silchar only. External means you are from different university or college. Now here you have to select the degree and your email ID, mobile number. Okay, your CPI, average up to last semester you have to mention, date of birth, research, broad area you have to mention, and summary of the proposal. And then you have to mention all the things over here. Full name of NIT Silchar faculty under whom summer internship is to be carried. Okay. So I think they have mentioned over here. If I just open it, you can see. If you have any query, you can reach out to them before 15th of April. They will be able to guide you. So you have to mention all the things. Okay. You have to mention the name of the faculty. Here multiple faculties are there. So you can just mention their name also because they have mentioned. See, actually you have to select the faculty. They have separate subject faculty. Like for chemistry, one person is there. Maths, one person is there. Okay. So you have to mention that particular professor name over here. And then you have to just upload your internship mode. So you have to just mail them that which mode you want to apply. Mostly it is offline mode only. So you have to select offline. You have to upload the institute ID card, registration proof, and here you can see letter of consent from host faculty. So you have to mail to any of these people, whichever subject you have selected, and they will be sharing it. Let me just show you a demo of the uh, pro forma. Okay, I will show you. Let me just check it. So this you have to get it signed from the head of the department. You have to enter all the things and you have to write a summary of the proposal. And here you don't have to write it. You have to write in another separate sheet. Okay. And then you have to write all the things. You have to mention name of the faculty under whom. You can see all the names over here. From here, you can just write the name and the detail. And then you have to simply fill it. Okay. And get the signed from your head of the department. For any queries, you can reach out to their support email before 15th of April. So once you have filled all the things, you have to upload all the thing, consent and all the things and just click on yes. So you can see this is the official form, not a fake form, because most people are thinking that this is a normal Google form. You can see this form was created inside NIT. Unlike others, we share only official informative videos. Unlike the others, we don't share any fake forms to collect the data. You can see the form is created inside NIT Silchar. So this was the important update I wanted to share. If you still have any doubts, you can reach out to me via comment section, reach out to my social handles. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel for more.